Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition. It comes dressed in the gorgeous glacier white, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with the 5V spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display. And as you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery and the iconic S-embossed logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The MMI multimedia display. Going into Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family, navigation to help you easily find your desired destination, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, and radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations. You have the MMI multimedia display control pad, as well as the manual air conditioning for both driver and passengers to set the preferred temperature, with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.